Hello everyone. Our project today is to explore OWI arm with the help of Arduino. The main objective of the project is to collection of garbage, like it's scattered everywhere, so you just have to collect it and put it into the respective baskets. Like for example, if it is a plastic one, then basically you have to segregate all the type of garbages with the help of the robotic arm. This is done manually, which is not that proper as a human, so it will be done with the help of robots. So this is the OWI arm that we are going to use in the robot. It consists of 5 motors basically, in the elbows, arms, wrist, and even in the fingers. And this is one more motor over here, which is help for the rotation of the arm from front to back in both the directions. So the arm is a type of mechanical arm that can be programmed with the help of functions, just like a human arm, and for example performs a variety of tasks such as picking up stuff from places and putting it somewhere. So part of rotation and placements during the assembly is done. The arm is running with the help of DC motors. DC motors are direct current. It has two LEDs, that is positive and negative. If you connect these two LEDs directly to the battery, the motor starts running. So that's DC motor for you here. We in this project will be connecting this with the help of Arduino. The power will be supplied through Arduino, that is, and we are going to connect these two LEDs to the Arduino, and we will be able to connect it in any direction that we want it to rotate. It can be clock or anti-clockwise with the help of the code. In our project, this is the Arduino board that you can see here. This is just an example to show you how the circuit diagram works with the help along with the DC motors. So just here there are two DC motors over here that will be connected to the Arduino, and power is supplied. So basically code is embedded into this Arduino, with the help of which we are able to rotate our DC motors. So this is just a pictorial diagram of it. Here is the code. If I could explain you here, what we are trying to do here is we have just assigned few variables through which we'll be controlling the DC motor, and basically we are creating delay time in order to stop or continue the rotation of the DC motors. So here we have delay code as well as the rotation code. Thank you. This is it from my side. The next part will be explained by Nikhil. That is the demo for the arm. Thank you.
I'm Nikhil and I'm going to show you rotation of robotic arm, and we have one Arduino and we have OWI motors. OWI arm consists of 6 DC motors, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. And I'm going to move this DC motor, and I will give the command. This was the upward movement, and I'm going to show you next movement of this DC motor, and I will give the command. So this was the upward movement, and I'm going to show you downward movement of this DC motor, and I will give the command. So this was the downward movement of first motor. I will show you next motor of forward movement. I'm going to show you rotation of this motor, and it can be rotate here to here 180 degree, and it can pick anything from here and throw it anywhere, and I will give the command for upward direction. This was the upward movement. I am going to show you downward movement of this DC motor, and I will give the command. This was the downward movement of this DC motor, and I will going to show you next movement of this DC motor. I am going to show you rotation of M4 motor in upward direction, and I will give the command. So this was the upward movement, and I am going to show you downward movement of M4 motor, and I will give the command. So this was the downward movement of M4 motor, and next I am going to show you rotation of M5 motor. Last motor is M5 motor, and it is the finger of the arm, and it is used to hold the object and throw it in anywhere. And I will give the command for opening of the arm. Okay. And this was the opening of the finger, and I am going to show you closing of the finger, and I will give the command. Okay. So this is the closing arm of M5 DC motor, and so with the help of Arduino we can control the all arms of OWI motors, and with the help of Arduino we can control the motor of this arm. Okay, that's it.